In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can show or hide grid line in Microsoft Excel. For this, you can see that there are always some grid line in Microsoft Excel. We want to hide this grid line. For this, you just need to go to the View tab. You will see an option Show, which is grid line is checked. Please uncheck the grid line. You will show that the grid line has been disappeared. And if you want to get it back, you just need to check this grid line. This is how you can easily show and unhide grid line in Microsoft Excel. And there is another option. If you want to select this and you want to just hide this selection grid line, you just need to go to the Home tab and go to Color. You just use white color. You will see the grid line is not showing anything. So you can easily hide or unhide grid line in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.